Check this porta potty out here near Wilson, North Carolina, right by the auto body of Wilson. Looks like new construction here. Not sure what this is yet. Let's go in and check this one out. Get a little bit closer here. This one's a down east portable sanitation. Let's go in. It's kind of tan in color. Actually, it doesn't look too bad in here. We have our vent pipe, got a little toilet paper wrapped around the vent pipe. Got our air vents. And I can show the toilet. Doesn't look like anything in there. And we have a hand sanitizer. And 2 rolls of toilet paper. One's partially empty. This is one of those sliding door locks here. Even got a hook to hang up your clothes while you're visiting the porta potty. Let's check out the outside here. Some heavy equipment over here. It's sitting on skids. Got our vent pipe up there. That's the number they keep up with this 8056, it looks like. Got a beer can there. Got building permits over here. I would say I would rate this one thumbs up. Not bad at all.